Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone is updated and unlocked. Older MIUI may lack a history toggle. Open Settings, go straight to Notifications and Control Center, and tap Notification History. You must enable the toggle now so the system begins logging incoming alerts. Grant any permission requests immediately. These let Xiaomi store recent notifications. Once done, the phone will save notices going forward. This step is decisive because it creates the record you'll inspect in the next slide. Now you're ready to retrieve alerts. Open Notification History from the same Notifications menu and scan the chronological list. You'll see app icons, timestamps, and text snippets. Use the filter controls to narrow by app or approximate time, which accelerates finding a specific missed alert. Tap any entry to expand it and read the full message or copy text. Make sure to note whether the notification was dismissed or cleared. Dismissed items remain logged. Cleared items may be gone unless a backup exists. To finish, try recovering older notifications. Check My Cloud or device backups and the security app for any synced logs. If you need continuous history, install a lightweight notification logger and grant required permissions so future alerts are preserved. If you still can't find a specific notification, reboot the phone and verify notification history is still enabled. Sometimes a permission reset or system update disables it. Troubleshooting tip: if entries stop appearing, re-grant notification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.